Thank you for joining me on this rainy day. Today's going to be more of a lazy day. I'm just going to do some quick tidying, of course, of toys because they're always everywhere. It's hard to believe that August is already here. I found this calendar while thrifting. The lady that was selling it said that she'd had it for 30 years and that she just didn't use it anymore, so she sold it to me for $3. And I absolutely love it. You may be able to see on the 15th day there's a little notation of 11:30, and I'm guessing somebody had an appointment that day. I've thought about cleaning it away or painting over it, but it's a reminder of the life that this calendar had before me, and I like it, so I think I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm going to do a little bit of wet dusting and wood polishing today. This lighthouse is actually a lamp that was made by a family member and gifted to me for Christmas, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my most favorite possessions. Dusting is one of those mundane tasks that's kind of boring. I usually just Swiffer dust or feather dust everything, but sometimes I do like to go over and wet dust it, and especially the wood surfaces, and polish them. Once you get started, like once I do a corner and see how much better it looks, and I can see the dust everywhere else, I have to continue, kind of get in a zone and just finish everything else. And once it's done, it looks so much better. I don't realize how dusty things get, but once it's clean, I can see the improvement. And it smells so much better too, especially when you're using like the orange oil polish or something like that. It's so nice afterwards. I'm also going to take this time to try to catch up on laundry, the never-ending chore. There's always clothes to wash and put away. I've been trying to go through, as I'm putting up the clothes, and pick out things that we don't wear very often, or maybe stuff that the kids have outgrown. And I'm just going to throw them in the basket, and I'll bag them up to donate or give them away. I really need to downsize the amount of clothes that we have. We've got more than we need, more than we wear. And less clothes, I guess, equals less laundry. At least it should anyway. So that is something I'm currently working on, is to downsize. That little pot holder you see in the drawer there, that actually belonged to my grandmother. And I keep it in this drawer so that we don't use it. I don't want to damage it. But I do like having it in the kitchen where I can see it. It always makes me smile to open the drawer and see it there. I'm also going to take the time to do a little bit of mending today. I have this doll that belongs to my daughter. The back seam has split open. I guess she's been wallowing her, playing too rough with her or something. So I'm going to fix that for her today before it gets any worse. And then I have a dress that has ripped right along the bottom of the zipper. It's a tiny little place, and it's not really something that I want to get the sewing machine out for. So I'll just hand stitch it real quick and fix that. I did go thrifting a little earlier, so I thought I'd share what I found with you. And the first thing I found was this tin, and I love the strawberry and daisy decor, and I've slowly been collecting it more for my kitchen. And then I also found this peppermint stick tin. I'm not sure how old this is, but I thought it would look great with Christmas decor. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it yet, but I'm definitely going to use it for Christmas. And then I found my little girl some new books, some Halloween books. I love that the holiday things are coming out, Halloween and Christmas. It makes me so happy. I also found her this pair of boots. They look new. They're actually 2 sizes bigger than what she wears, but I figured by the time winter comes and with socks, she'll be able to wear them. And I found myself 2 dresses. I'll show you the pattern. I have to hand wash these and hang them to dry. Hopefully they'll fit. I'm not sure about the red one yet, but the plaid one I think will definitely fit. I thank you for taking the time to visit with me today, and I hope that you're doing well. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it so much. And I will see you next time.